Are you wanting to learn how to create environment and landscape digital paintings? My name is Philip Sue, better known as Philip Sue Art on social media, and I'm a digital artist focusing on environment and landscape illustrations. Creating environments can seem intimidating and overwhelming, especially for beginners, but by learning and understanding how to break down those core elements, it's actually quite simple, and more importantly, it's extremely rewarding and very enjoyable. This course is designed for beginners, so whether you're just starting out on your art journey or you're looking to improve your skills and understand environments better, this course will teach you the basics on understanding and how to create your own environment scenes. I will be covering basic fundamentals, working with shapes, creating depth with atmospheric perspective, creating different lighting scenarios, as well as tips and tricks and advice on helping you in your journey. You'll quickly find how simple things can be once you understand how to break them down. You'll also learn the reasons why we break things down and how that will help improve your understanding. Practicing and mastering the basics is key, and these are the skills that you'll be using every time, no matter how experienced you are. There'll be 6 modules in total, each being around 20 minutes long. I'll also provide lesson assignments at the end of each module, accompanied by worksheets with helpful information so you can practice and create at your own pace before moving on to the next module. This is a beginner level course, so you can actually jump straight in without much experience at all. All you'll need is a drawing tablet and Adobe Photoshop, or any other similar drawing software. So if this is what you're looking for, then I'm excited to welcome you on board, and I look forward to helping you bring your worlds to life.